Hello, welcome back to Joycelyn T's Kitchen once again. My name is Joycelyn. Today I'm sharing with you a simple salad recipe which is great for the spring and summer weather coming in. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. Okay, so today I'm sharing with you a simple spring, summer salad recipe. So we've got here carrots, we've got tomatoes, we've got avocado, we've got lemon, we've got honey, and we've got some infused oil with rosemary, thyme, garlic and cloves. You don't need to infuse the oil, you can just use olive oil. And we've got just a bowl to make our dressing in. And we've got our equipment here. So yes, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to prep our carrots, which is basically just peel the skin of the carrot. Okay, so that's my carrot prep. I'm going to wash that. So our carrot is all washed up. So now I'm just going to peel it. So this is what I want, and I'm achieving that with the peeler. Okay, so that's our carrots all done. And nicely, just move to one side. Next, we're going to prep our cherry tomatoes into half like this, and you just do that until all of your quantity is finished. And tomatoes is antioxidant, which basically is really good for cleaning your inside. So this is just a nice way of just eating healthy salad, fresh, with fresh ingredients that it's not cooked. Sometimes when you cook things, you lose the nutrients from it. But this one, you've got all the raw nutrients inside. And it's just lovely. Next is our avocado. I'm going to just take the staple off. Lovely color. I'm going to just cut up our lemon, and I'm going to squeeze that onto our avocado. What it does is it stops it from going brown, and it keeps its green color, because normally avocado can turn brown very, very quickly. So putting lemon or lime juice on that. Just stop that from happening. Okay. And I'm just going to take my avocados. Okay, so our avocado is prepped, our carrots is done, our cherry tomatoes is done, and now we're just going to assemble this into our beautiful bowl. So just go carrots, some tomatoes, and we'll carefully just peel off the skin of the avocado. Our healthy, simple, healthy salad right there, all done out beautifully. And now we're going to do our dressing to go with it. I'm just going to taste some of this yummy salad. thank you once again for joining me in my kitchen. Please like, comment, subscribe. Until next time I come back again. See ya.